Hi, I'm Jake Jones, the Technical Service Manager for the Northeast with FMC. Today we're in a wheat field in Pennsylvania where a couple of our wheat portfolio products have been placed this fall and spring. The first one we're going to talk about is Anthem Flex Herbicide. That's our foundational weed control in this field, which is a very clean field as we walk through it. It would be applied delayed pre, which would be a balance of crop safety and maximum efficacy we can get on problem weeds like Italian ryegrass and annual bluegrass. We also have a suppression label for some other weeds like henbit, chickweed, and downy, brome, and cheat. So this is pretty complementary to a spring application of Harmony Extra to come back through and clean up some of those emerged broadleaf weeds. And the rate we used out here was 3.2 to 3.5 fluid ounces per acre on this medium soil. To dive in a little deeper on that delayed pre-timing, this is a drilled wheat field, so all the wheat's the same depth, and we can dig up and see when 80% of those wheat seedlings have emerged, have germinated to a half-inch long shoot, then we will be able to spray the Anthem Flex herbicide, which if we're planting into moisture is about 72 hours after planting. So this spring, this field also received Topguard Fungicide. The active ingredient in Topguard Fungicide is flutriafol. It's the most systemic triazole fungicide on the market and has a long residual control as well. As the plant grows, flutriafol will move up through the plant with a systemicity, and then what hits the soil can be uptake and also move within the plant to those leaf areas. It's rate fast within about 2 hours and is compatible with a lot of the green up type application materials. So your fertilizers, your other herbicides, and then your insecticides as well. We have a 2EE for early season disease control in wheat that allows us to go out at a 5 to 7 fluid ounce per acre rate. And that's going to provide control of powdery mildew, septorial leaf and gloom blotch, and common and striped rust. We've had a lot of mild winters around here, so as the wheat gets growing in the spring, where you see a lot more lush growth, and that's prime habitat for powdery mildew issues to arise. So we recommend that Topguard Fungicide go out between green up and flag leaf, and then we would still come back with your Fusarium head blight fungicide at the proper timing. Topguard Fungicide is labeled in wheat, barley, and triticale, and has a nice PHI of 30 days for grain, 15 days for hay, and 0 days for foraging. If you want to learn more about Topguard Fungicide or Anthem Flex Herbicide, please visit ag.fmc.com.